Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide and introduce you to a software. It's MKTX software. The software will help you manage multiple Twitter accounts on the same interface. This is the main interface of the software. You can add a large number of Twitter accounts. Then you can choose Deploy Account Feed according to automatic script. One is that you can deploy according to the proposal. The second one implements interaction according to follower and implement interactions with specified accounts. In addition, the software will support you can be implement automated tweeting, tweet to the community, join the seeding community, comment, reply, automatic message sending and so on. And many other features are advertising function, follow function, change account information and unlock the account, scan your account on Twitter. Support for you can deploy extremely effective marketing. Here, I will run a demo account according to the interactive script. You just need to set the action according to your script. Set up software configuration and account selection. Finally, press the start button. Let us see how the software works. If you are interested in software, please contact me via telephone or WhatsApp below the description.